Hidden in the rolling hills of Wisconsin lies a mystery carved into the very earth, an ancient message from a civilization long forgotten. They shaped the land itself into living symbols, giant effigies of birds, bears, serpents, and this, a lizard stretching over 200 feet. No written words, no stone monuments, yet their designs align with the stars, speaking a language older than any tribe remembered. Some believe these shapes mirror constellations. Others say they marked sacred ground, where sky and earth met in ceremony. Archaeologists found traces of fire, offerings, and art, proof that these mounds were not graves, but altars of meaning. Across Wisconsin, hundreds more stretch across the landscape, an ancient network connected by belief and ritual. Who built them? Why so precisely shaped? The answers lie buried beneath centuries of silence. This is the legacy of the Effigy builders, the artists of the earth and guardians of America's oldest story. Long before modern maps or monuments, a people of vision walked these woods, guided by the stars, the seasons, and the spirits of the earth. Their tools were simple: wooden stakes, woven cords, and bare hands. Yet their designs stretched across hundreds of feet with perfect symmetry. Each handful of soil was placed with purpose, part of a living design meant to last for millennia. They built not for kings or conquest, but for the cosmos, as a bridge between earth and sky. When night fell, the shapes below mirrored the heavens above, a dialogue between humans and the infinite. Perhaps they believed each form, bird, bear, or lizard, carried a spirit, protecting the land and those who lived upon it. From river valleys to hilltops, their symbols spread across the land, a sacred network etched in earth. And though time has erased their names, their art still speaks, in the quiet language of the earth itself. Centuries
exactly
later,
right here.
when
Okay,
the
I have
earth
the tape
was
taut.
finally disturbed, what lay beneath stunned the world
Setting
of
the flag now?
archaeology. Tools, pottery, and ornaments, carefully buried within the mounds, hinted at a people both artistic and deeply spiritual. Each item spoke of ritual, of offerings made to the sky, to water, and to the unseen world beneath their feet. Some mounds revealed burials, not of kings or warriors, but of families laid to rest in sacred geometry. They believed these forms connected the living and the dead, that the spirits of animals could guide souls into the afterlife. Yet even with modern science, no one truly understands how such vast and precise designs were built without metal or the wheel. Were these simply graves or star maps, coded messages linking human life to the movement of the heavens? The answer, buried beneath layers of earth and time, remains a mystery, one written not in words, but in soil and stars. Then, without warning, they were gone. The builders of the effigies vanished, leaving only whispers in the earth. No records, no battle scars, no conquest, just silence swallowing their sacred forms. Some believe drought or disease claimed them. Others think migration carried their traditions westward. The patterns of their earthworks appear far beyond Wisconsin, echoes of their culture found across America's heartland. Perhaps they journeyed toward new lands, guided by stars or by something deeper, a spiritual calling to move on. As if their purpose was fulfilled, their story absorbed back into the sky they once honored. Nature became their guardian, the forest their temple, and silence their legacy. The effigy builders may be gone, but their earthbound art still breathes beneath every blade of grass. Today, the Lizard Mound Park in Wisconsin stands as a sacred echo of America's first architects. Archaeologists still walk these mounds, uncovering the fragments of a civilization that shaped this land long before maps or borders. For many native nations, these mounds are not relics, They are living ancestors aligned with stars, seasons, and stories. Their builders read the heavens, weaving cosmic order into the earth beneath their feet. Each generation that visits keeps their memory alive.
No, you're not.
Not
Wait
through
up.
textbooks, but through touch, sight, and wonder. Even as centuries pass, the earth remembers, holding stories deeper than words. In silence, the spirit of the effigy builders lingers, guardians of balance between earth and sky. Their legacy endures, carved not in stone, but in the soul of the American land. The mounds may sleep beneath the soil, but their spirit still breathes in every field, every river, every rising sun. America's oldest architects left no written words, only monuments of meaning shaped from earth and starlight. Here, we remember them, the forgotten builders of a world before ours. Subscribe to Forgotten Civilization and journey with us through the lost chapters of ancient America.